All right, so moving on to part B of this momentum and variable mass collision problem. So for part B, what they want us to do is determine the kinetic energy before and after. So kinetic energy before and after the collision. So for this component, the initial kinetic energy here for particle A, V sub A squared equals 3u quantity squared plus negative u squared. So that's going to yield 10u squared. And so K sub A is going to equal 1/2 m times the quantity 10u squared. That's going to equal 5mu squared. And for now particle B, V sub B squared equals negative u squared plus 4u squared. So that's going to equal 17u squared. And here for K sub B is going to be 1/2 times 2m times 17u squared, so that's going to be 17mu squared. So the total kinetic energy is K sub I equals K sub A plus K sub B. So K sub I equals 22mu squared. For the final kinetic energy of the fragment has mass m over 5 and speed 6u. So K sub frag equals 1/2 m over 5 times 6u squared equals 18 over 5 mu squared. And K sub frag equals 18 over 5 mu squared. Our final kinetic energy of the composite body, the square of the composite body's speed, is going to be here v squared equals negative u over 14 squared plus 5u over 2 squared. That equals u squared over 196 plus 25u squared over 4. So v squared is going to equal u squared plus 1225u squared over 196. So we're going to get 1226 over 196u squared, and that's going to equal 613 over 98u squared. So the composite kinetic energy is K sub comp equals 1/2 times 14m over 5 times 613 over 98u squared. So that's going to be K sub comp equals 613 over 70mu squared. So the total final kinetic energy is K sub F equals K sub comp plus K sub fragment. So K sub F equals 613 over 70mu squared plus 18 over 5mu squared. So that's going to give us K sub F is 865 over 70mu squared. That's going to equal 173 over 14mu squared. Or K sub F is about 12.36mu squared. All right, so that is part B. Thank you very much and have a great day.